like a hobbit. Oh, that view is amazing. Yeah, that was dope.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. We're out here in Pacifica, and we're gonna check out some mountain biking trails.
It's gonna be dope.
Good to see you.
You too, man. Good to see you on your bike again, man.
Gosh, it's nice to have a bike that's mine. Feels like home.
Jay, when you're driving here,
That's Boy Scout.
Boy Scout to the right.
That's later, and that's Mile. See that? Sort of like a fire road thing on the hillside.
Oh yeah,
That's one of her coming down.
pretty gorgeous.
Yeah. Gets better at the top. You can just see the Pacific Ocean, man.
Howdy.
how you doing?
So
This is
we're
where it
going
starts.
up the-
You guys doing the track?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna smoke some at the top too.
100% San
Yeah.
Take care, guys. Nice little trail work. Some overhanging trees. Okay, it's getting real. We're gonna spare you our suffering.
This is where it starts. There's a lot of free soloing happening to get up.
I believe you. You here?
Oh my God.
Well, this is gonna test my brand new brakes for sure. Need to bet them in still.
Are you following Poe or me?
I think I'm following you. Let's do it. Oh, that view is amazing. There we go. Good and steep.
Can't see around the turn.
Can't see much of anything. I'm just watching your tire skids.
So tricky.
Yeah, you gotta be quick back and forth. All right.
Oh yeah, now we're back up. We can make mine.
Definitely testing the new brakes here. Oh, it's tight. Little drops into boulders that you can't see. Nice. No kidding, that was cool.
But it's not as bad, right? Looking at it.
So tight.
Yeah, you can do it more than you think, but man, that's dicey, dude. That's fun.
But that's old school downhill.
I feel like a hobbit in a hobbit hole, just.
It's like, dude, grab your knee pads.
That was cool.
Long sleeves.
Never done it before, that's cool. Hell
I
yeah.
ride this trail, just make it
What
down.
we're gonna do now is the mile.
A mile.
It's after that, it's chill.
Okay.
Miles fun.
Comparatively. Yeah. Quick little climb to the view here before we do the mile. Yes! Wow.
Wow, right? Oh, it's beautiful. It's the clearest I've ever seen Pacifica.
Really?
Yeah, this is up here.
Yeah, it's usually fogged up.
Fog City.
Nice. I'm glad I got out on a clear day.
In the right light for it.
Awesome. All right. All right.
All the different lines.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that was dope. Triple X. You got it? Nice catch.
Yeah, we're good, we're good. Drop.
Oh, that's cool. Phew! Go for it. Oh, you good?
Yep.
Ah, damn.
Oh, you going?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, just a little float.
Buttery.
Oh, that was shitty. I fucked it up. Ooh, that's a big bike.
My bikes are broken.
Uh-huh.
It was just as a road bike.
You're hitting all the hammers with the wrong hammer.
Nice, got it nice.
Hitting it hard, man.
Want to see it?
Like medium speed.
Yeah. Huh. It's cool.
Yeah, I just hit that all day.
Go for it.
Drop in!
Drop, drop. I believe. Oh, just kidding. I'm not that cool.
Ready, hit that, hit the drop. Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, it's hard to like.
Yeah.
Good times.
Hell yeah, dude.
Coming back. Yeah, man. Good riding. Good to meet you.
So what's the ball? Yeah, likewise, brother.
All right. Thanks for showing me, guys. It's cool.